Hello, my name is Ukulele. Today I'd like to teach you how to play Just the Way You Are by Billy Joel. Not by Bruno Mars, actually. Okay, so first I'm going to teach you how to play each chords, and later I'm going to explain the introduction part I just played for you in a first part, and then later I'm going to sing a song for you so that you can get the rough idea how it goes. So first I'm going to teach you how to play each chords. In this song you have to learn 11 chords. The first chord you need to know is A. With your point finger on the third string of the first fret, and with your middle finger on the second fret of the top string. That's A. The next chord you need to know is A minor. With your middle finger on the second fret of the top string. That's A minor. The next chord is B minor. Bar the second fret. Then put your link finger on the first fret of the top string. That's B minor. The next chord is B minor 7. It's easy, just remove the link finger from B minor. That's B minor 7. The next chord is D. With a point finger on the second fret of the top string, with a middle finger on the second fret of the third string, with your link finger on the second fret of the second string. That's D. Next chord is D7. With a point finger on the second fret of the top string, with a middle finger on the second fret of the second string. That's D7. The next chord is a little bit tricky. That's E7. Sorry again. The next chord is a little bit tricky. E. With your point finger on the first string of the second fret, and with your middle finger on the fourth fret of the top string, and with your link finger on the fourth fret of the third string, and with your pinky on the fourth fret of the second string. That's E. Instead you can play E like this as well. Bar the second fret, and with your link finger on the fourth fret of the top three strings. A little bit tricky, so you can just play like this. It's both the same. So the next chord is E7. With your point finger on the top string of the first fret, and with your middle finger on the second fret of the third string, and with your link finger on the second fret of the bottom string. That's E7. And the next chord is E minor 7. Either way, this one. So with a point finger on the second fret of the third string, and with your middle finger on the second fret of the first string, bottom string. Anyway, so that's E minor 7. The next chord is G. Just add the ring finger on the third fret of the second string to E minor 7. So that's G. The last chord, very last chord, is G minor. Yeah, that's easy. So with a point finger on the first fret of the first string, and with your middle finger on the second fret of the third string, and with your link finger on the third fret of the second string, that's G minor. So that's all chord you need to know. Now I'm going to teach you how to play the introduction part. So it goes like this. The first chord is D, and play the top three string. Then add your pinky on the third fret of the second string and play it, and remove it. Then play the top three strings. Then put your pinky on the second fret of the first string and remove it. So. Okay, then do it again and remove it Then with second string, play and remove this ring finger, play and put it back. Don't go changing. Goes like this. So that's the introduction. So now move on to the strumming patterns. So basically the strumming pattern is down, down, down is a strumming pattern. So don't go changing. It goes like this. So just play down, 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 down. Okay? So now I move on to the singing part. Don't go changing, try and please me. You never let me down before. Don't imagine you're too familiar. I don't see you anymore. I don't want clever conversation. I never want to work that hard. Just want someone, girl, I can talk to. I want you just the way you are. If you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get the notification every time I post a video. See you next time. Bye bye.